alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV Sumi School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 3. Today's topic is descending order. I repeat, today's topic is descending order. Your lecture number is 5, your homework number is 4. The students, your topic is descending order. Descending order means we need to arrange the number from greater to smaller, from bigger to smaller. Okay, the question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. So the given numbers here we should write down in descending, that means from greater to smaller. Here we have two questions. In two questions we need to arrange the 5 numbers from greater to smaller. So how should we arrange this one? We should look at the highest place value. There is 7 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, this 9 in the hundreds place, and this 4 in the thousands place. Like all the numbers we should indicate. It's 9 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, this 9 in the hundreds place. It's not thousand, it's hundreds place. Okay. Now 3 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, and this 3 is in the thousands place. Now these two, all the 2's are in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. All the 2 here. Now this right side 8 is in the 1 place, this 8 in the tens place, this 2 is in the hundreds place, and this 1 in the thousands place. Look, my dear students, this one must be the smaller number. This one will be in the last, because this highest place value is only 100, and the other numbers highest place value is thousands. So compare these 4 numbers at first. Which one is the bigger? We need to compare. Now in the thousands place we have 4, we have 3, we have 2, and we have 1. In the thousands place we have 4, 3, 2, 1. That is why we should arrange now from greater to smaller. Which one is the greater number among these 4? It is 4 is the greater. So this number has the highest place value, highest number. That means this number will be our first number is 4997. 4997 is the biggest number among these 5 numbers. So this is done. Now the next number. What is the next number? It will be, we have 3 in the thousands place, 2 in the thousands place, 1 in the thousands place. Among these 3 numbers, 3 is the highest place values, highest number. So it will be our second number is 3723. So this one is also done. Now between these 2 numbers, we have 2 in the thousands place, we have 1 in the thousands place. We know that 2 is greater than 1. That is why 2222 will be our third biggest number in this question. Now after that we have this one is also done. This one is also remaining, the highest place value is 1000, and this is the hundreds place value, so it will be the last number. Now this will be our fourth number is 1288, and this one will be the last number 999. Like this way we can solve all the ascending order or descending order. Descending order means from greater to smaller, and in the previous class we have learned also the ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to greater. Now the second question, we need to arrange this one also in descending order. So we need to find out the greatest number at first. So indicate the place value. Our work is indicate the place value at first. It's ones place in the 4 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, and 2 is in the thousands place. This 5 is ones place, this 9 in tens place, and this 1 is in the hundreds place. Now 1 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, and 3 is in the thousands place. This 0 is in the ones, this 0 in the tens, this 0 in the hundreds place, and this 5 is in the thousands place. And the last number 2 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, 6 is in the hundreds place, and 4 is in the thousands place. Now among these 5 numbers, only this 195, this number has the highest place value is 100. So this will be, must be in the last. This must be in the last because this is the smallest number. And the other number has the thousands place. The highest place value is thousands place. So we need to compare that 4 numbers. This is 2 is in the thousands place. This number, in this number 3 is in the thousands place. This number 5 is in the thousands place. And the last number has 4 is in the thousands place. Now among these 4 number, 2, 3, 5 and 4, we know that 5 is the highest digit. So this number will be our first number because 5000 is the biggest number among these 5 numbers. So this 5000 is done. Now we have 3 number which has the highest place value thousands. So compare these 3 now. It's 2, 3 and 4. Among these 3, 4 is the highest. So this number will be in the second number, 4682. Now this 2 is done. We have remaining these 3 number, but this number should be in the last because this has only the hundreds place in the highest. We have thousands place 2 number and 3 and 2. Between this 3 and 2, 3 is the biggest number, 3 is the biggest value. So we should write down 3701 in the third place in this descending order. So this is also done. Now we have these 2 numbers are remaining. Obviously this number will be greater than 195. So write it down. In the fourth place is 2354. And the last number will be this one is 195, which is our smallest number in this sequence. The students, I hope you have understood how to arrange the number from greater to smaller. You have a homework. Your homework number is 4. Please mention the homework number in your assigned HW copy in the left up corner. Then the topic is descending order. Write it down also. The question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. These 5 numbers you need to arrange in descending order. This means from greater to smaller. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to arrange in descending order. And you can submit all of your HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.